Hi there, my name is Taylor from Hillsound Equipment, and today I'm going to help you choose the correct size of Hillsound gaiter. Once we have the fit, I'll show you how to best get them on. To find the best gaiter sizing, you can refer to the size guide on our website or on the back of the product packaging. On here, you'll find our sizing chart for both footwear size and calf circumference. We recommend that you look at calf circumference before considering shoe size, as this is an important factor when assessing the best fit. A calf should be measured at its largest circumference. To get the best fit, let's start by opening up the gaiter completely. Loosen the calf strap and ensure the TPU strap is undone. Wrap the gaiter around your leg from the back towards the front. Ensure that the logo and buckle are on the outside of your leg. Our water-resistant zipper starts at the top and zips down. Cover the zipper with the Velcro tab and apply the hook underneath your laces. Finish by fastening the top buckle. Fasten the instep strap to secure the bottom of the gaiter to your shoe. This won't need to be adjusted again when you use the same footwear. To remove, simply undo the buckle and zipper before removing the lace hook. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at info@hillsound.ca or check out the website. Thanks, and happy hiking!